If you remember, in 2016, a Noida-based company named as Ringing Bells hosted a media event and announced a smartphone called Freedom 251, which was positioned as world's cheapest smartphone, and Freedom 251 grabbed headlines in India as well as globally. In this video, let's get to know the story of world's cheapest smartphone known as Freedom 251. Before we begin, do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share it with your friends. The device was claimed to be a 3G smartphone with a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor backed by 1 GB RAM, 8 GB internal memory, which also supported external memory cards of up to 32 GB. To power Freedom 251, the company had installed a 1450 mAh battery and had a service network of 650 centers across India. Everybody was talking about Freedom 251 and also about Ringing Bells, जिस कंपनी के बारे में किसी ने अभी तक कुछ नहीं सुना था. In the start, Ringing Bells ने claim किया था कि Freedom 251 will be released in the market starting end of February 2016. कंपनी ने pre-orders लेना start किया था and the response was phenomenal. सारे orders online लिए जा रहे थे through Ringing Bells website. Cash on delivery was not an option. 30,000 customers paid for the phone and pre-ordered it online और 7 करोड़ लोगों ने register किया था to buy the phone. February came and went, but the phones were nowhere to be seen. Ringing Bells ने फिर announce किया जून तक का timeline. Initially promise किया गया था 25 लाख handsets deliver किए जाएंगे before 30th जून, पर फिर उन्होंने वो नंबर lower करके सिर्फ 2 लाख यूनिट्स कर दिया. उसके बाद फिर से डिलीवरी डेट एक्सटेंड करके जुलाई 2 कर दिया गया, पर तब भी हैंडसेट्स डिलीवर नहीं हुए. Amid all the delays, there was lots of hue and cry, especially among people who had already paid for the handset but were still waiting to get their hands on it. Meanwhile, there was another group of people who were waiting for Ringing Bells to begin a second round of pre-orders. जब handsets डिलीवर करने का प्रेशर बढ़ने लगा, then Ringing Bells returned all the money and announced a cash on delivery option for selling the Freedom 251 phone. At this point, एक भी handset deliver नहीं हुआ था. जुलाई 2016 में announce किया that the company will deliver phones from July 8th और पहले 5,000 units first phase में deliver होंगे और total 2 लाख units available होंगे और buyers को choose किया जाएगा lottery basis पे और उन्हें ₹40 as a delivery charge भी पे करना होगा. Although Ringing Bells ने claim किया कि उन्होंने सक्सेसफुली 5,000 यूनिट्स डिलीवर किए थे, बट उसके बाद कुछ नया डिलीवर नहीं हुआ. मोहित गोयल, द CEO ऑफ Ringing Bells, ने जुलाई 28, 2016 में PM मोदी को एक लेटर लिखा वेयर ही रिक्वेस्टेड द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया टू इन्वेस्ट अ सम ऑफ ₹50,000 करोड़ इन द प्रोजेक्ट. उन्होंने ये भी क्लेम किया कि Freedom 251 को बनाने में ₹1180 का कॉस्ट आता है, जबकि इंडियन सेल्यूलर एसोसिएशन क्लेम्ड कि एक स्मार्टफोन 2000 से लेके 2500 से कम के कॉस्ट में बन ही नहीं सकता. Ringing Bells was selling the phone at a loss of ₹930. Freedom 251 said to be locally assembled in Haridwar and Ringing Bells ने ये claim किया था वो 60% handset components locally source कर रहे थे and in future 100% components इंडिया में मैन्युफैक्चर करना चाहते हैं. Ringing Bells said it was looking at an investment of ₹70 to 80 crore to begin with, out of which about ₹23 crore had been allocated to the Freedom 251 smartphone. They also said कि उनके पास 280 पैन इंडिया डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स हैं, बट उन्होंने कभी अपने इन्वेस्टर्स डिस्क्लोज नहीं किए. Mohit Goel even spent 6 months in jail in 2017 after some distributors filed a case against him for an alleged fraud. In one of his statements, Mohit Goel said his vendors didn't deliver on time and also blamed the government for not supporting his company despite his commitment to Make in India and Startup India and his vision of providing every single Indian with a smartphone. And the year 2015 to 16 was a year when Make in India and Digital India campaigns were launched and promoted by the government. Ringing Bells backtracked on every promise that they made to their customers. Even though the company claims that it was able to deliver 5,000 units of the smartphone, it does not change the fact that Freedom 251 was nothing more than a scam. If you liked the video and you think that it has given some information or added value, then consider subscribing to the channel and also check out other videos in the playlist. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.